Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through today of the Junk Journal Essentials Volume 2 digital, 46-page printable pages that can be found in my Etsy shop. And I just wanted to show you that there is a Volume 1 that can be found there as well. And the link to the flip through of this one and to the digital and such is, like I said, down below. But today we are going to do a flip through of Volume 2, 46 pages. What I tried to include in these Junk Journal Essentials is everything, especially for a new junk journaler that you might run into where you wish you had maybe a ticket, a library card, a guest check, a bingo card, a postcard, music, beautiful fonts and script and old letters and all that kind of stuff. So a little bit of all of those sort of basics, including 2 different tea-stained pages here. I also tried to include lots of different tones of colors so that they pop beautifully together. Some lined page, great for backing our journal cards and tags. Some ledger. Love how grungy that is. Love these labels so much. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. And then I have this music notation page here twice, but as you can see, they're very different in color. This is very white, and then that's much more grungy. So I wanted to include both of them. Some very old music sheet there. Let me get into the music section. And then we have some library cards. These are the backs for them. Yeah, so they can just be glued together. And what I really enjoy doing is gluing them together, putting a little divot or a thumb notch, and then putting a pocket in between them, which is super fun. There's some guest checks here. All kinds of little bits of ephemera. I filled, of course, all the little white spots here and there with labels. My usual. This one, Junk Journal Essentials, is much more colorful. The first one was very, very neutral. And this one here, I introduced a lot more color. Super pretty. Some beautiful script. Some of them are complete pieces, start to finish, but then others are just little bits and pieces so that we have all kinds of different script and color tones for collaging and such. Beautiful typography. Love that one. Oops. Some ephemera. Gotta have a recipe. And then a green time card. There's a neutral one in the volume 1. And then just some fun numbers for collaging. Library card, label. And then we have some postcards. And these are the backs for them, so you can see those 2, these 2, and these 2 go together. Again, they make fun pockets. And then more postcards. And again, there's the backs for them. And then we have some tickets. All kinds of colors. So much fun. And then some tabbed, kind of like index cards. I think that's what they're called. And we have them in the large size and then the smaller size. And then we also have some Rolodex, 3 different sizes. And then some big playing cards and little playing cards. And then front and back, as you can see, front and back. The front is there and so is the back. For all of them. Some fun flashcards there. Some bingo cards. some map, and some more maps. So that is volume 2 of the Junk Journal Essentials. Again, like I said, the links can be found in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.